Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can add a best friend on your Snapchat. So if you do not know, you can go on Snapchat's chat setting at the bottom over here. Once you're in the chat section, at the top left corner you can see your profile picture. You can click on it and scroll a bit down and click on my friends. Once you do that, there's going to be a best friend section and all of your best friend list is going to be shown over here. But my list is not being shown because I don't have that list, and I will tell you guys why I don't have that list and how you guys can get that list. Alright, now before I show you the steps on how you guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. Now you cannot just individually select a friend and create a my best friend list. No, Snapchat does it automatically. And how Snapchat does that automatically is basically there's a thing called Snapchat streak. If you do not know, I have made a video on what Snapchat streak is, how you guys can maintain it. You can watch that video to know what Snapchat streak is. Now you have to keep on sending each other Snapchats every single day regularly, and basically once you do that, Snapchat will think that okay, these guys send each other photo on daily basis, so they might be best friends. So it's going to automatically create a best friend list and it's going to start adding people that you send snap to on a daily basis. Alright, so the higher the snap streak, the higher the chances that friend is going to be included on your best friend list. So the only way to add one of your friends on the best friend list is by sending each other snaps every single day, and Snapchat will automatically add them on your best friends list. So yeah, that's how you guys can add a best friend on your Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.